Hello children, welcome to online classes. Today we will start new topic of chapter 2, nutrition in animal. First of all, we will learn about nutrition in amoeba. As we know children, amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found in pond water. Amoeba has cell membrane. This outer covering is called as cell membrane. Amoeba has a dense, rounded nucleus and many small bubble-like vacuoles. Amoeba has irregular body structure. The finger-like projections is called as pseudopodia. Now let us discuss the nutrition in amoeba in detail. Children, as we can see, amoeba constantly changes its shape. When it senses any other organism, it pushes out pseudopodia around the organism and cover it. Now let us discuss the process of taking nutrition in amoeba in detail. The various steps involved are: first is ingestion. Let us discuss what actually ingestion is. Amoeba pushes out one or more finger-like projection called pseudopodia and capture its food. The tips of the pseudopodia fuses with each other. The food becomes trapped in a food vacuole. This is called as ingestion. The next step is digestion. The digestive juices are secreted into the food vacuole. They act on the food and break it down into the simpler substance. Absorption. Gradually, the digested food is absorbed. Assimilation. The digested food absorbed is stored or utilized for its growth, development, multiplication and release of energy. The last step is egestion. The undigested residue of the food is expelled outside by the vacuole. The cell ruptures at any place and residue is thrown outside the body. So children, this is the complete process of taking food in amoeba. Now let us discuss the process of taking food in grass-eating animals. They are also called as ruminant. As we know that certain grass-eating animals such as cow, buffalo, deer and sheep quickly gather their food. They chew the food rapidly, mix it with saliva and swallow it hurriedly. Do you know why? Carnivores eat these grass-eating animals as their food. To avoid being caught by carnivores, grass-eating animals quickly eat their food. They then move to a safer place and bring the food back into the mouth in small lumps and chew it. This process of chewing food is called rumination and these animals are called ruminants. Now let us see the process in detail. In ruminants, the stomach is divided into 4 chambers. The first chamber is rumen, next is reticulum, omasum and abomasum. This type of stomach is called compound stomach. The food that is swallowed goes into the first and largest chamber, rumen. Here it is partially digested and is called curd. It then goes to the second chamber or the reticulum, where it is returned to the mouth for thoroughf chewing. After thoroughf chewing and mixing with the saliva, the rechewed food is swallowed again. It now bypasses the first 2 chambers and enters the third and the smallest chamber, omasum. Here it is broken down into smaller pieces. The food enters the fourth chamber, abomasum. Here a kind of gastric juice is secreted and the process of digestion comes to an end. The digested food now passes into the small intestine. Here the absorption is completed. The undigested food passes through the large intestine and is digested from the body. So this is the complete process of taking food in ruminants. These are the four chambers in ruminants. First, the rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. So I hope children you understood today's topic. Now let us solve all these questions. So children, this is your today's homework. You need to solve all these questions and write answer in your rough notebook.